Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this needs to go down at some point to make a wave C of wave B to complete this A, B, C of B. Eventually, I do think it is going to go up in a big way, but I think it needs to go down and make a wave C before it really does continue back up. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think the wave B is in. I think the high is already in. I think this first move down is likely at 1. I think this is like an A, B, C, D, E of 2. And I still think at some point it's going to go down, make a wave 3, make a wave 4, make a wave 5 of wave C, which should be a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this first push down as a wave 1. I still think this is a big ABC of 2. I don't see any signs that the wave 2 is over, and it probably is going to go up and take out the highs before it actually does go down. So I am definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames until I see evidence this wave 2 is complete. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, as of right now, my last major structure level is way down there. I think that we will be able to move our structure up to here at some point, but for now, I personally am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. I don't see any evidence that the uptrend is over, so I'm definitely still trading with the trend on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you had done nothing over these last couple weeks except for look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks, you would have been doing extremely good right now. There's been at least 3 beautiful entries, maybe even 4 beautiful entries to go long. And that's exactly what I'm still doing. I'm still patiently waiting for more 3-wave pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until my higher time frames tell me this uptrend is over, which I definitely have not done so yet. I will continue to look for longs at the end of all the 3-way pullbacks I see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.